Maytag oven will not come on, says feature not available.
This is a common way for the oven to fail. Try to flip the circuit breaker off to the oven or unplug the oven for 5 minutes to see if the electronics will reset. If that doesn't work, the display control board needs to be ordered and replaced because the logic inside the board tends to get corrupt and it thinks the oven is in self-clean even though it's not, which is why it's telling you the feature is not available. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.